Here is how to download files or folders from Google Drive onto your system. So let's get started. First open your browser and then come to Google Drive. So just search for drive.google.com. Once you're here, you have to locate the file or folder that you want to download. So I'll show you both. So first, let's say I want to download this folder called test folder. To do this, just click on the three dots next to it and select download. So it will first zip the folder and after that, it will automatically get downloaded. Just wait for a few minutes and now it's done. As you can see, test folder has gotten downloaded. So now the next step is to unzip this folder. And to do this, you'll have to open File Explorer. After that, you'll have to locate the zipped folder. Most likely, you'll find it in downloads. As you can see, test folder has come here. Just click on it and click on extract all. Click on extract. And here, you'll find all the contents of the folder. You can click on this and you can see that this file has come. So this was how to download a folder. And now if you want to download a file, it's much simpler. Let's say I want to download this file. To do this, again select it, click on the three dots next to it and click on download. And as you can see, it's been downloaded. Again, I'll go back to File Explorer and as you can see, it's come here as an Excel sheet. So one thing to note, that after downloading, the file type may change. For example, this was a Google Sheet, but now it's been downloaded as an Excel file. But this is how it works and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.